strange. Like looking in the mirror, trying to steady yourself and seeing somebody else. And everything is not the same now. Physical and life have changed. Maybe when I'm older, I'll
Gracias. you